We made it to Yellowstone finally.
Real dragon.
Doggy.
Ne, tam není opravdový.
And now we are observing the dragon's mouth. Springs.
Dragon mouth spring. It does look like a dragon that's spewing steam out of there. He's so tired. He's really tired after so much time in the car. Yeah, you do.
Now we made it to the mud volcano. Look at this. Y aquí, pasando un rato con mi papá en Yellowstone, pasándola bien. Primera vez que llegamos aquí a este parque nacional. Es increíble. Estamos pasando chévere, bien. So are we having fun today?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I was just sleeping and I woke up.
Oh, you were sleeping, you woke up? You were a little bit tired?
Did we see a lot along the way? Yeah?
Yeah.
We saw
We saw
bison.
bisons?
Any other animals?
Wow.
And look at the thing.
Okay, let's look at that. Something's bubbling there, huh?
Yeah.
But it smells of sulfur, doesn't it?
If someone drinks that, then they go to sleep forever.
That's right. That's right. Kai, how are you?
Yeah.
How are you feeling? Okay? You feeling good? Are you having fun? We're a little tired, right? Just a little bit. Super tired, yeah, I know. Okay, let's walk back to the car, right? Just a little bit cold. A little bit. My hands are freezing. Let's carry this little boy, or big boy. We going back to the car?
I think it's the doggy that's heavy.
Oh, the dog is heavy. Yes, where's the car?
Doggy's 100 pounds.
Ooh, that's quite a bit.
Sounds really
Good workout for you.
And
Good workout.
I'm 100%.
Just see grande. What are you looking for, buddy?
Don't mind me. Just walking on the street, said the bird. The bird said, I'm just walking in the side, and my feathers don't work.
Jak se ti tady líbí?
Moc. Ale je to pořád sedím v autě. Ale jinak je to nádherný. Thank you.
We're at the Norris Geyser Basin, and it's stinky here like hard-boiled eggs, but it's really pretty.
Okay, we just saw the Old Faithful geyser, and now we're on the way to watch a few others.
We're gonna end up at Morning Glory.
How's it going? How's it going, little thingy? How's it going, little thingy? Are you coming over here? That beak can just open a hole in my skin. You can just see it. Hey, you little raven. Hey, you being a good boy. Hey, little raven. Hey, you being a good boy, little raven. Hey, you being a good boy. So what's the name? What's the name of this trail?
Brinks of the Upper Falls? No, Brinks of the Lower Falls.
Okay, cool. Okay, you're gonna see it's beautiful.
Snowman.
A snowman.
My hands are not cold.
Get stuck in the snow. We're at the brink of the Lower Falls.
Just joking, but I'm down here. Nom 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 nom. This is yummy, people. Nom 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 nom. Oh, hi. Today we're going to throw rocks in the river. Just watch this.
Now my sister. Wow.
That is fun. Guys, let's see if we can throw some more rocks into the thing. Guys, do you think this one is good? Or do you think this one is good? Leave the comments down below. A lot of you guys are saying the big one, so let's go to the big one.
Polarized filter for the GoPro.
Okay, let's throw it into the rock. Now do you want to throw the rock? No, I want to have this go. Okay, you can film.
Filming.
Okay, let's throw this rock. Mama, throw it on black. A vegan restaurant to see if there's a vegan restaurant, or then let's go in the car.
We're just sending a quick postcard to a friend we made over the internet to Australia. So hopefully he gets it well. This is from our vacation. Nice. All right.
Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe.